Don't point that thing at me, Gaz.
It's mine, you stole it.
Confiscated it. No, really. Don't point it at me.
Perfect for your execution.
I really wouldn't do that, Gaz.
Enough now. Let's get off this rust bucket and finish this on my ship. When you say finish this,
Shut up.
take your advice, little woman.
Little.
Biding my time.
Contract states schedule master fugitive to contractee and division.
Here on behalf of the contractee. Hang on, I thought you'd hired the Jadu.